I have to say I found love. And why that's significant to me is I never looked at any of the awakening experiences I had or that very deep spiritual sense that I often get from meditation or listening to something that's inspiring or whatnot. And I used to hear Tim say love, but I really, the word didn't seem to totally fit, but it just didn't seem important. But now it is love, and that's the only word that I can kind of express it and call it. There's a term, I think it's a Sanskrit term, and I think it's shruti. And as I understood it, it was like when someone's playing a harmonium, it's that underlying tone that's always there, just moving through the piece. And not that I'm trying to shake it, but I can't shake it. That love is that shruti. It's just there, and boom, I just hear it. It's the ground, it's the basis of my whole experience. And it's still just blossoming for me. It's just incredible. And I found this, I called him an angel in the workshop, and it was me. I like myself. I saw myself here, and I saw this guy, and I'm looking at him, and I go, wow, I like this guy. I like me, you know? And I think I wouldn't have been able to gaze on myself otherwise. I don't know. It's just an incredible love, and I'm still blown out, and I don't know if my feet will ever totally touch the ground. And I wouldn't call it an awakening because I was kind of glowing for many reasons coming in. I call it a full integration of that. And that's different than that big blowout aha moment. That's like, I'm home. This is it. I'm home. So that's that shruti. That's that underlying sound. That's the best way I can describe it.